Good day everyone, this is Vanessa here, welcoming you all back to this channel. Today we are going to review together the Nature Republic Aloe Vera line. If you're interested, then keep watching. It's been a while since I sat down here to review a product with you guys, and I've decided that, well, it's time for me to get back into the habit of releasing a video a week. So, as I said, today we are going to review together the Nature Republic line, and we are going to start with a very hyped product that does not live up to the expectation, at least not for me. I'm specifically talking about the Nature Republic 92% Aloe Vera Gel. So, this is a tub that I paid for, and I ended up just tossing away because it will just not work for me. Well, first of all, let's open the container to have a look. I was pleasantly surprised by the fact that it has this plastic shield. This product has, well, let's say your average aloe vera gel consistency. As many people say, aloe vera, it's a double-edged sword. Like, it is very good for your skin, it's soothing, hydrating and all that, but on the other hand, it can be highly irritating, and that is what happened to me. I've used in the past some other aloe vera gel that worked wonders for me. So I said, well, let's try this one, because if that one worked, then this one is supposed to work as well. Very, very bad idea. As you might have seen, I wiped it off right away because my skin doesn't tolerate it at all. This is a product that irritated my skin like only the mandelic acid did before. Let's start with the beginning. I received it and I was very happy. I was like, okay, let's have a look and let's try it. I washed my face with the cleanser from the very same brand. Then I went on applying their toner and then went on to this. So, applied it. Within seconds, my skin reacted to it very badly. Like, this product stung my skin, so I had to wash it off within a minute or so because I was not able to tolerate the allergic reaction that it had. I said, well, okay, maybe it is too harsh for my skin because I do have sensitive skin, so most of the products do not work for me. I always need to use a bunch of products until I can find one that finally makes my skin happy. I decided to give it a second chance. Very bad idea again. So I've applied it as a hand cream just to test it out, and again I had this very intense stinging sensation and I had to wash my hands straight away. So the bottom line is that I do not find this product suitable for sensitive skin. If you've seen my previous videos, you would know that I always say skincare, it's a very personal topic and everyone's skin is different. So this product that has not worked for me might work wonders for you. So my advice would be, if you want to try it out, go ahead, but do a patch test first and then take my review and all of the reviews that you see with a grain of salt. We are all different and we all react differently to different products. Now let's move on to the toner. I have here the bottle. As you can see, it is pretty much new because I only was able to use it once. This toner is way too harsh for my skin and I had a very bad reaction to it. My skin doesn't seem to like this particular line at all. Now let's have a look. As you can see, this is quite a liquid toner, your average toner. For me, I find it rather cheap. The formulation, the feel of it on the skin, and as the aloe gel, it also stung my skin pretty badly, and that's even now when I've opened it, in order to show you guys the consistency, I had to wipe it off straight away because it has an allergic reaction within seconds. Last but not least, let's talk about the cleanser. Here it is. I must say that out of all the products from this line, this is the only one that I really liked. First of all, let us see the consistency together. So, as you can see here, this is a very nice, a very creamy cleanser. I've decided to opt for a foam cleanser because I'm a firm believer in the double cleanse method. What I liked about this cleanser, first of all, is that it is not drying. Because I have highly sensitive skin, I find most of the cleansers out there to be drying, which very much to my surprise did not happen with this one. It gently cleansed my face and it left it moisturized. So all in all, I must say that I'm very happy with this product, and it's the only product from the line that I would recommend. It is not your luxurious type of product. It does not feel high-end or anything. It just does what it's supposed to do. It cleanses gently and leaves your skin hydrated, which I believe it's what a good basic cleanser should do. Nothing fancy, nothing over the top. So this is one product that works for my very sensitive skin type, which I believe will work for most skin types. It is very, very gentle. Overall, I believe that this line, it's not suited for sensitive skin because it is formulated in such a way that is too harsh. but you can always give it a try, because as I always say, everybody's skin is unique and you are never going to know what works for you unless you test it. So that is all that I have for you today. And now I would like you to tell me if you've used the product, if you liked it, how was your experience with it? Please share your opinions with me in the comments down below. And I'll see you all very soon in another video. Up until next time, remember, beauty is skin deep.